In the heart of the constellation Orion, a sleeping monster stirs. For thousands of years, its fiery breath has lit up our night skies. But now, Betelgeuse, the ancient red supergiant, is sending us a message. A warning. The clock is ticking. The countdown has begun. And when this giant dies, the universe will explode in a show unlike anything humanity has ever witnessed. This is the story of the star that might go supernova in our lifetime. And if it does, everything will change. For millennia, humans have looked to the sky and wondered, what are those glowing dots? Among them sits one titan, a red beacon blazing in Orion's shoulder, Betelgeuse. It's not just a star. It's a cosmic beast nearly 1,400 times larger than our Sun. If placed in the center of our solar system, Betelgeuse would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, and even Mars. From ancient civilizations to modern astronomers, Betelgeuse has always stood out, bright, unpredictable, and massive beyond imagination. Then, in 2019, something strange happened. Betelgeuse began to fade. It dimmed so drastically that people wondered, was this it? Was the star about to explode? Telescopes turned. Scientists scrambled. What they discovered shook the astronomical community. A giant plume of dust, blown off the star itself, was blocking its light. Betelgeuse was convulsing. Its outer layers were becoming unstable. But even more worrying, seismic waves inside the star suggested something was happening deep within, in its core. Inside Betelgeuse, nuclear fusion has been raging for millions of years. First hydrogen, then helium, and now, even heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. But once iron builds up in the core, the game is over. Iron doesn't produce energy. It's a dead end. When the core can no longer support the star's weight, it collapses in seconds. The result? A supernova, a violent, blinding explosion that outshines an entire galaxy. When Betelgeuse goes supernova, it will be unlike anything seen in modern human history. Brighter than the full moon. Visible in daylight. A new star lighting up the sky for weeks or even months. You could step outside at night and read a book by its light. Astronomers around the world would record it in real time. Telescopes would pivot. Cameras would roll. History would be made. But here's the question everyone asks, what happens to us? Betelgeuse is 642 light-years away. That's close in cosmic terms, but far enough to keep us safe. No lethal radiation. No harmful shock waves. Just light, a glorious light and neutrinos flooding our detectors. But, if Betelgeuse were just 50 light-years away, we wouldn't be having this conversation. We'd be toast. So, when will it happen? That's the mystery. In cosmic time, Betelgeuse could go supernova tomorrow, or in the next 100,000 years. But its erratic behavior, the dimming, the surface outbursts, the internal quakes, is accelerating. Some scientists believe we are in the final chapters, and because the light takes over 600 years to reach us, Betelgeuse may have already exploded, and we just don't know it yet. For astronomers, a nearby supernova is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We'll study how stars die, how elements like gold and uranium are forged, and maybe even spot a newborn neutron star, or black hole. Betelgeuse could be the key to answering one of the biggest questions in the universe. How do stars die and recycle themselves into new worlds? So now, we wait, under the same sky as our ancestors. One night, you might look up and see a light you don't recognize. A new sun hanging in Orion's shoulder. And you'll know, the countdown ended. Betelgeuse has gone supernova. In that moment, we will all witness the death of a star and the birth of something new. The universe. Revealing its secrets in a blaze of cosmic fire. If you want to be among the first to witness the universe's greatest show, hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Because the next time Betelgeuse blinks, it might be its final breath. Stay curious. Stay watching the stars. And never stop exploring.